Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process.
I don't like how it's the digital factory used to be non-digital.
Line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world
You want to be careful, they don't want
to make milk chocolate. High quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
I can smell chocolate.
Isn't it amazing how smooth as silk? It takes lots of ingredients and all things.
That wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumbs to steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
These punch machines use thick granite rollers
I like this one too.
and transform the fine crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of
Bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dark colors.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Look at it.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Might take better pictures.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.